Hi students, today I want to explain how to do the second project for the externship, the virtual practicum externship. So I'm going to click on the externship tab here, and then we're going to go down and click on links to virtual externship, and from there we'll click on the virtual externship projects. And so here you'll see the project 2 form development, and it has two parts to it. First, you're going to create a medical record form for someone else to use, and then you're also going to complete a data dictionary, which works behind the scenes of a computerized medical record. So go ahead, click on the assignment instructions, and you're going to see these 8 data elements. Those are the elements that you're going to use on your medical record form, and you'll also use on your data dictionary. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up a Microsoft Word document. So you just you can go to your search bar at the bottom and type in Word to get a document up, a clean document, blank document. You're going to make a title, so you'll decide on what title you want to use and what you want to title your form. It doesn't matter. So I'll put title of form here, of medical record form, because it is a medical record form. And then remember, we had those 8 data elements. So what I'm going to do is basically just try to just put a few things on here. So the first one was patient name. And then there's a medical record number. And you can put these on your form however you want to. So the next one is an encounter date. So if you want to put an encounter date next to that, you are designing a form. So however you want to put the information on there is up to you. Now, the part about a electronic medical record is that we don't use lines like you might see if you were if you've created a form before or something like that. You might see something used like this. We're not doing that in this particular assignment. So what you want to do is you want to insert a box. So you're going to go to insert, and then you're going to go to shapes. And then from there, you're going to pick a rectangle. So you can pick any rectangle shape you want. So once I do that, you see my cursor turned into a plus sign. And so what you want to do is put that plus sign wherever you want that box to go, and then you'll be able to shape it. So I'm going to click on my mouse, the box appears, and so I see that it's, first of all, covering up my medical record number. So I definitely want to move it up so that it won't be covering that up. And then I want to make my box bigger so that it can capture the information that someone would put there. We're not putting any information there in this assignment, but it's being made for somebody else. And so when you want to get ready to insert your next box, you'll go to insert again, click on shapes, rectangles, and then move that cursor where you want it to go. It's best to put all of your data elements on your form first and then go back and insert the boxes. It makes it a little bit easier because you know exactly where you're going and everything. So that's basically how you would do the first part of the assignment. Once you get through with creating the form, you'll do save as, file, save as, rename it, and then save it to your computer so you can upload it when you get finished with the full assignment. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at the second part of the assignment, which is the data dictionary. And with the data dictionary, you're going to click on step 3, and you're going to get an Excel spreadsheet to come up. So what you want to do there is, this is the Excel spreadsheet, and hopefully you can see it okay. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to put the data element names. Those are the data elements that were just on our assignment instructions. So you'll put here patient name, encountered medical record number, everything that's on that list. I don't know them by heart, but you'll put, so you're going to list all 8 data elements right there. Now you can leave these examples there if you like. It doesn't matter. But I'm going to show you something with the examples in a minute. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to give a description of these data elements: patient name, medical record number, encounter, all the 8 data elements that you have listed here. So when we say description, you are to describe that type of information, or you can give a definition of the information. So for example, here they said the first name, and then the description was the patient's first name. The example of the age was the patient's age in years. So we know that a patient's age in years is a number. So the field type is numeric. And for the patient's name, the field type is character. So when you enter your information here about the data the data elements that you have, you're going to make a determination as to whether or not that's either a character or numeric. These are the only two items that will go in this field. It's either going to be character or it's going to be numeric, nothing else. Your definition, like a medical record number. So what is a medical record number? If you have to look up medical record number, you can, or if you just know it off the top of your head, you can write that too. I just want a little brief description of what it is. But you should not get in the habit of saying patient's medical record. That's not correct. I need to know what a medical record is or what it's used for. Okay, and so once you finish all of these, you'll be through with the assignment. You'll go to your file again, save as, save it to your computer, and then you'll upload the information to the Dropbox. You want to make sure that you upload everything, the 2 documents, before you hit submit. Otherwise, I'm only going to get the 1 document that you submitted. Hope this helps. Thank you.